Ooh, I can smell the shiitake mushroom as well.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight, Appa is going to make a one-pot dish for my family. I actually going to make a rice stew or stew rice. Something like a Western, this is a Chinese version of rice risotto. Okay, now let's take a look at the ingredient. First of all, we will need some, of course, this is long grain rice that I have washed, yeah, just now. And I have approximately 3 cups. When we say cups, I'm referring to this rice measuring cup. Usually half cup is for one person. So 1.5 cup is equivalent to 3 persons here. And let's take a look at the ingredient. Very simple. I have some, this is from recent Chinese New Year. I have some cured meat. You can use sausage, Chinese sausage or whatever that you like. Pork belly also can. Roast pork also can. And I have some shiitake mushroom slice. This is already rehydrated. And to add to the flavor, I have this heavy, yeah, dried shrimp. Ooh, this is very important. And another very important flavor and fragrance is this one. This is the shallot, yeah. So the shallot is going to create an extraordinary aromatic flavor, fragrance to this particular rice. And I'll be using a bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder as well. For those who are interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. We're going to start by adding some vegetable oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons to start with. Once it is heated up, we can then put in the shallot. Let's saute this shallot for a minute or two before we continue. We really want to get the nice aromatic shallot oil, yeah? When you start to see the shallot started to brown, now you can actually add in the cured meat or any Chinese sausage, shiitake mushroom, wow, now it's super fragrant. I wish you can smell this. Our cured meat is actually going to release some more pork fat, yeah, shortly. And while we are doing so, I'm going to add in this. This is the dried shrimp. You can, how to prep the dried shrimp? Some people ask me, Appa, do I have to soak the dried shrimp? Actually, no need. You just have to quick rinse it with some water will do, yeah? Whoa, now it smells so nice. Oh, don't use too high heat here. If you use too high heat, your shallot may get burned quite easily. Use medium will be good. Slowly saute this. Get all the nice fragrance out from the shiitake mushroom, the cured meat or Chinese sausage, and mix it together with the very nice aromatic shallot oil. It already makes me very hungry. Ooh, I can smell the shiitake mushroom as well. Now, I'm going to lower the heat to the lowest. This is where I'm going to add in the washed white rice. If you don't lower the heat, the white rice can actually get stuck at the bottom of your wok very easily. Yeah? Lower it. And we are going to fry everything together, like how you fried rice. And now we are going to season this with a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, a bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, 1 round of light soya sauce, about 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, This is probably more than 1 tablespoon. And we mix everything nicely together. I'm still on low heat right now. Don't add too much of dark soy sauce. It can turn bitter, yeah? Right. Next thing, I'm going to add in 1.5 cup of water. Now, when I say half cup here, I'm referring to this rice cup. Why? Because when you're cooking long jasmine rice, usually the water to rice ratio, the rice to water ratio is 1:1 or 1:1.1. All right, so this is why I use 1.5 cup of rice just now. So I'm adding in about 1.5 cup of water as well. This is to cook the rice. And we are going to transfer this over to a rice cooker. Yeah. So here's my rice cooker in the pot. Right, then we have something like this, and we are going to put into your respective rice cooker to let it cook, and then it is done. That's so easy, right? So let's just wait for the rice. Right, the rice is finally done. Wow. Actually, you can also, now I can actually add in some of the spring onion here. I won't add too much because my daughter doesn't like it. Then we can actually give it a few stir. Alright, so here's my very simple stew rice. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye-bye.